You're sitting at your desk at 6 p.m. You've been coding all day, but your GitHub activity looks sparse. Your Jira tickets keep piling up. You've been busy, sure, but have you actually shipped anything meaningful? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Being busy is not the same as being productive. And in software engineering, nobody rewards effort. They reward output. The productivity trap is subtle. You answer emails, attend stand-ups, refactor code that already works, help debug your teammates' issues, you feel useful, you feel needed. But at the end of the quarter, when performance reviews happen, the metrics are brutal, features shipped, bugs fixed, impact delivered. Not hours worked, not emails answered, not how nice you were. So let's reframe this. Productivity isn't about doing more things, it's about doing the right things, the high-leverage work that actually moves the needle. And here's how you actually make that happen. First, identify your frog. That one task that you're dreading. The complex migration, the difficult conversation, the feature that's ambiguously defined and requires deep thinking. That's your frog. And you need to eat it first thing in the morning before you check Slack, before email, before meetings. Why? Because willpower is a finite resource. Every decision you make, every notification you respond to, drains it. By 2 p.m., your frog looks insurmountable. At 9 a.m., fresh cup of coffee, 0 interruptions. It's just a big to-do. Second, protect your focus blocks ruthlessly. Your calendar is probably a disaster. Back-to-back meetings, context switching every 30 minutes. You're not doing deep work in those gaps. You're just toggling between browser tabs and pretending to code. Block 2-3 hours every morning. No meetings, no Slack, no email, just you and the hard problem. Make this recurring. Defend it like your career depends on it, because it does. If someone tries to book over it, decline or propose an alternative. Your focus block is sacred. Third, embrace decomposition. You see a massive refactoring on your plate. 6 weeks of work. Where do you even start? Nowhere, because your brain shuts down at the scale. Break it down. Not into tasks, into tiny, shippable increments. PR1, rename the class. PR2, extract the interface. PR3, write tests. Each PR is independently valuable. Each one is small enough to finish in a focus block. Each one ships. This is how you make progress visible, to yourself and to your team. Fourth, audit your meetings. Be honest, how many of the recurring meetings you attend actually require your input? How many could you skip? How many could be handled asynchronously? Not every meeting needs you. Decline politely. I have a conflict, works fine, or send a PR update instead. Reclaim that time for actual work. Your calendar should not be a graveyard of your productive hours. Fifth, sleep is not optional. You're not a hero for surviving on 5 hours. You're cognitively impaired. Complex problem solving, creativity, debugging, these all demand sharp cognition. Sacrifice sleep, and you're borrowing from tomorrow's productivity at terrible interest rates. The code you write tired is code you'll debug awake. Here's the hard part, saying no to meeting invites, to side quests, to being the helpful person who fixes everyone's problems. People won't like it at first. You'll feel guilty. But here's what they won't tell you. Being productive requires being a little selfish with your time. The most productive engineers you admire, they guard their focus fiercely. They decline gracefully. They ship consistently. That's not a coincidence. This week, pick one thing. Just one. Identify your frog for tomorrow morning. Set your calendar to block 9 a.m. to noon. Turn off notifications. Eat that frog. Ship it. Then see how it feels to actually end the day with something real completed, not busy. Productive. Subscribe for more on how to level up your software engineering career. Comment below. What's the one productivity tip that actually changed your output? See you next time.